Hi guys, this is Boss Lady Shruti and today I wanted to show you how I got these super voluminous, crazy, wavy hair. To tell you a little about my hair, I actually do have wavy curly hair, but I got this Sistine treatment done about say 3 or 4 months back in November, and it has really changed the texture of my hair and made it really smooth, and I wouldn't say straight but definitely not curly. So there are times wherein I do miss my curly hair, and the thing that I'm about to review right now just gets me to my curly hair when I want and then lets me have my frizz-free smooth hair whenever I like. Today I want to review this iconic waver. This is what this magic tool looks like. This is by Iconic Professional. Just a second, let me get the box. This is the Iconic Triple Tong M3. This is the box that it came in, like this. I've been meaning to try this out for quite some time. I used it for the second or the third time today, and you'll see how I do it, etc. in the demo. To give you a little bit of a review about this, I got this for 2,700 from this place called Beauty Palace that stores Iconic products. I would say, considering the amount that straighteners and hot hair tools these days cost, I think this is a mid-range product. I don't think it's cheap or it's too expensive. To tell you about its features, it has ceramic coating, it has this unique triple tong, which is like 2 here and 1 inside. It's hot right now, so I'm not able to touch it, but yeah, it heats up pretty fast. I didn't have to wait for too long for it to heat up. So the good thing about this is that this has this digital outlet for you to see the degrees that it heats up to. This heats up till 230 degrees Celsius, and I think that is a really high temperature. I do it at around 200 or max 220, not more than that, and I wouldn't suggest you go above that either. I think it does a pretty good job. I took about say 15 minutes. It might seem like you're taking too much time because you kind of have to place the product and wait for like between 5 and 10 seconds and then move along. The good thing about this is that you can take bigger sections and get the same result. You don't really have to go in with smaller sections for you to get a very good full-blown effect. So that is a good thing. So I think all in all, it doesn't take too long, and I really like the way it looks. Like this is actually my natural hair, so it feels like I'm going back to my roots, and yeah, it feels really fun. So if you want to know how I got this look and how this works, please keep watching. So I have my hair up, tied, and this is the triple tong. I'm just kind of setting the temperature here, as you can see over there. And now I like to take my hair down and just part it. I like to take a little bit of section down and then just tie the rest of it above my head. And yes, you start working on the sections of hair that is put down. Like you can see, this is how I place the tool on my hair and keep it there for about 5 to 10 seconds and then move along. This might feel like it takes quite a lot of time, but on the whole, because as you can see, I'm not taking very big sections, this whole hair, my whole hair kind of took like 15 minutes, like I said. So it's pretty simple and self-explanatory. So just press 5 to 10 seconds and then move along. Press 5 to 10 seconds and then move along. Ta-da! One section of the hair done. Now moving along to the next section. I always ensure that the two wand is facing like me and the flat surface is facing behind. I feel this gives the best curls, and like it has a nice sense of direction to them. Otherwise it can look a little messy. If that's the look that you're going for, you can definitely opt for that, but this is what I like doing. So yes, and now I like taking two other sections, one from each side, and then going to my crown. That's usually how I like to segregate my hair in sections. This is honestly very easy peasy. There's no rocket science or any kind of formula to it. Just place it, press it, and go. Now that I've come to the crown section of my hair, I like to take one section in and one section out. So this section I want to kind of pull it towards inside my face. Then you can see the next section that I take, I want to put it away from my face. Yeah, and always I like facing the double tong to my side because that's the effect that I like getting throughout my hair. Then you can see that the next section I take it on the front side. This is to ensure that your hair gets maximum volume because you know that's how we like to wear my hair. And that's pretty much it. I just like going in with a little bit of my L'Oreal Elnett hairspray, and this is just actually so that the curls don't like wither away and get all lazy. Woo-hoo! Woo! And that's the finished look.
My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness.
So yeah, that's how I use this triple tong M3, and I think I'm going to get a lot of use of this in the summer. I feel this is a very summer appropriate hair. You kind of get this out of bed, like I didn't put in too much effort, but yes, it took some effort kind of a look, and I really like going for such kind of looks. So I think this is going to be something that I'm definitely going to experiment with in the summer, and it also gives this really beachy vibe, which I'm all down for. So yes, that's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment on this video, tell me what you think, and subscribe to my channel because we all need to share the love and grow the tribe. So like I always say, keep it bossy. तुझको बना करके, तुझको बना करके, तुझको बना करके ले जाएंगे बद्री की दुल्हनिया. तुझको बना करके ले जाएंगे बद्री की दुल्हनिया. मुन्निया रे मुन्निया बद्री की दुल्हनिया. मुन्निया रे मुन्निया बद्री की दुल्हनिया.